Ever spent hours untangling version conflicts while your team stares at a broken deployment? The release management pack slashes through chaos with GitOps aligned version strategy templates, real time feature flag dashboards that track A B testing states, Canary deployment automation with Prometheus metric integration, and rollback runbooks that map dependencies down to microservices. Release managers, DevOps engineers, platform leads, and SREs. This is your Swiss Army knife for zero downtime releases. And no, you won't need a PhD in YAML to use it. Here's what's inside the Release Management Pack. GitOps aligned versioning with semantic release triggers. Canary deployment pipelines that auto scale based on latency thresholds. Real-time feature flag management with user cohort targeting. Rollback runbooks that auto-generate dependency trees. Metrics dashboards syncing with Grafana and Datadog. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't duct tape, it's a full CI/CD facelift. Installing the release management pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add release management pack. That's it. It downloads the full workflow: version strategy templates, Canary deployment playbooks, and rollback runbooks with dependency mapping. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows feature flag orchestration, Canary analysis, and rollback triggers. Pro tip: it works better than git rebase -- force. Now go break things safely.